long time ago?
No, this is my camera.
It's a new one? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the 4G job, or 4K.
Okay. Oh, 4K.
4K. 4K? 4K. Alright, we made a path out to the street. Yeah, we can get our mail. I don't think the mailman is coming. There goes my crazy wife. She's going down to the neighbor's house. Cindy's down there trying to shovel out her driveway because Pat's on his way home from work. And right now he's stuck at the bottom of the hill. He ought to just leave. He had to leave his car and walk home. Anyway, here's my beautiful house. It's got a little snow on it. Got a little icicle action happening up there. Street's so quiet. It's so peaceful. It's a winter fucking wonderland. There she goes. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.